We're gonna do some braille guiding, guys. No eyes.
All right.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What you got there?
My tea.
Yeah. Good morning, Pepper. Meow, meow, meow. Are you in your basket, Peps? Are you in your basket, Peps, huh? Doing our little morning walk this morning.
Yep. See what we can see. Should a spot like this if you have a tent.
Okay, so next I figure we'll go across that right there.
Nope.
Gonna show us first how it's done?
Nope. Oh, do you think that might be a beaver stand?
Yeah, maybe. I mean, I guess it's not. I mean, it is wood and stuff laying all there. Maybe this was beaver work.
Maybe we should knock and see if anybody's home.
C.S. Lewis style with the
Yeah.
Beaver family.
Maybe we could have some tea and crumpets.
Oh yeah. You think we can climb into that dam and maybe it's bigger on the inside than it was?
Bigger on the inside, yeah.
Maybe.
Like the, yeah.
I guess you can park in those spots and then go walk down into the
Seems like it's just like a little, like
little loop
a
area.
little loop, yeah. Like
Yeah, where you
a
can
couple
walk
of sites.
down into it and put your tent. Oh, I see a tent back there.
Yeah.
Punchbowl Falls. Let's do it.
Pretty little walk.
Yeah, it is. Be on the lookout for bears.
Oh, that's right. They said they have seen a black bear in the air. Pretty little blue flowers.
Yeah.
Those kind of look like little bluebells.
Lots of water and stuff around here.
Yeah.
Beavers in this area have really precise skills at cutting
I don't
logs, don't you think?
Those were beavers.
Here's something, huh?
Yeah. A little bit more down the road, I guess.
See a little bit of moving water down
Mhm.
there.
See
Yeah,
some like water in the
little
distance,
bit
like
foggy,
some river.
huh? Yeah.
Oh yeah, on that mountain, that peak, they got a little bit of snow. Just kind of, it's all fuzzy.
Yeah. Wow, this is cool. Look at all these shavings on the ground.
Yeah, and then
And
look.
then, as we look into why, look at this. It's a really well done hole here
Yeah,
for
maybe
some type of a woodpecker, maybe, or something. I mean, it's really well done.
I don't know about a woodpecker because I know woodpeckers peck it to get bugs and insects from the tree.
Yeah.
But to actually bore a hole into
live
it to
in?
live in, I don't think so.
Maybe
It's got to be another type
maybe
of
they
bird.
started the hole and someone else finished it,
Uh,
or maybe they
I
did.
mean,
We'll have to check and
well,
look
I'll
into
look
it.
into it.
Or let us know if any bird experts out there. Okay, that looks like a waterfall down there. Hard to
Yep.
see through the trees, but so interesting how these roots make these natural
I know.
stairs, huh? Like steps and stuff.
Stairs or tripping devices?
Tripping devices, yeah. Yay!
That's the waterfall.
Oh. Top of it, I guess, huh? Looks like over here you can see the side view, so let's check it out. Not the best view over here.
No. You can hear it though.
You can hear it, yep. Find a pine cone.
Yeah, well, just see them on the ground. They're just, I don't know, just these kind of, ours by our house are real woody. I don't know, these are kind of pretty, kind of like a flower.
Yeah,
Oh.
those are. Ow, the penalty for walking down so much.
It's walking back up.
Needs a Stairmaster, right, Deanna?
Oh, this is a natural one.
Made it to the top of the trail again.
And it levels out for a while. Yay.
Wish we could say that it's all downhill from here, but
it isn't.
it's all pretty much uphill back to the campsite.
It's gradual uphill.
Almost back to Mita.
Almost back to Mita.
And here we are, back to Mita the Murata, our home.
Or I guess as the, what was it, that Indian tribe that said that home is where the light hits you.
Yeah,
right?
That's true.
Home is wherever the light hits you. I
Yep.
got my keys.
Are you that tired?
Here we go.
This is our ladder. We had to disconnect the starlink from its normal mount last night because it was pointed at a bunch of trees. So here's where I put Star Mita. That's what we call our starlink. Star Mita is pointed south. And this is where it's normally connected, so I'm gonna disconnect and set it back up. Picked up this connector here because it's way easier to leave the cable that goes down through the roof and connects to the router. It's way easier to just leave that in place and extend the cable with this extender. It's a waterproof extender. So this is the part of the cable that goes in here, and then we just pull off this little stand by just lifting and pulling. Now I have to admit, it would be nicer if there was an easier way to do this. Basically, you thread this cable through the deal here, and you line this up, and you have to push the cable onto the starlink. What I've found is that it's usually easier to just kind of plug it in first. Let's see if I can get you a better angle here. Here we go. It's usually better to plug it in first, like this. Make sure it's in there. And then slide it down like this and pull it back up, and you can hear it snap. And that'll pretty much keep it on there, but they do give you this little special screwdriver that can tighten these nuts that don't let it pop back out. So I'll just do that. And there's one on each side. So obviously we prefer to not have to reposition the starlink. I'd rather just leave it on here because it's not as much fun to lay up here trying to reconnect it. Disconnecting, it's actually pretty easy. Right, and we're done. And this is the fun part that I always like to do, which is shrink the ladder back down. Got this fun little air thing, and then it just kind of goes down like that.
And
Connect the Velcro and ready to be stuck in one of our compartments.
we're heading out and gonna head down to Jasper and get ready for our rafting trip this afternoon.
All right. All right, we're in the town of Jasper. Got a couple hours before the rafting trip starts, so figured we'd walk around, maybe grab some lunch.
Yep, sounds good.
So they have this cool little under the train track tunnel that starts out the trail. So here we go.
Walking under the train. Hope we can walk.
That curry smells good.
It does smell really good.
Salad time. All right. Fossils and minerals. Oh, pull my finger. Canadian rocky guy.
Sale items.
Yeah, sale items. Find anything good?
Yeah, nice. Just a couple of sweatshirts. I was looking to see if anything had.
This is the place that we ate, the Jasper Brewing Company. It's a nice place. Okay, back at the RV waiting for the bus for the rafting.
Yep. Hopefully.
Hello, Pepper. What's up? Come near me.
There we go. Can't make up your mind. Can't find a soft spot.
All right, we're ready for GoPro action. How do I look?
You look good, babe. You look good. You look like a man of action.
I don't know about that, but we'll see.
Look like this. Where are you from in Australia?
All right, we're on the bus. Meeting the folks, learning about the rafting trip.
Yeah, ready to head out.
Okay.
The whole bag? Yeah. And then we'll just run back.
Well, that was fun. Getting all changed up and everything. All right. Looking good. All right, you ready to go?
Yep, ready to go. Got my paddle.
I put my leg back in my truck.
Ready to go.
Yeah, we're ready to go.
Okay. Who is ready to get wet?
All right.
Alrighty.
Forward paddle!
I'll paddle,
Here we
guys.
go.
Make sure you're digging in the water. You're not stroking the water.
Yeah. Yeah.
Keep on going, guys. Forward.
Backwards?
Just so we have a little one.
We're gonna hit side.
Ready? We're gonna drill hit.
Tokyo Drift.
Boy. Bumper.
Yeah. Woo.
Clean. Yeah,
Nice.
Beautiful.
that was actually
Beautiful.
right. You don't have to put out your arms, but you got me.
Now we're gonna do some braille guiding, guys. No eyes.
All right.
That's sick.
Woo-hoo. All right.
Yeah,
All right.
thanks for coming. I already have so much spray on my glasses. Yeah, you know. It happens, buddy.
Deep breaths, deep breaths. Deep breath. You got it.
Yeah.
Oh, it was actually feel good.
Yeah.
Get back. Hunter, the wetsuit makes a huge difference. You've been in way colder water than
You'll be refreshed. You'll be good. That's good. Like that. We've got a perfect Eddie here, which is sweet. Might work, yeah.
Wow.
That feels good.
I got that one time.
That was awesome. Good job, guys. So all the dogs, beautiful parking. Keep it going. And stop there for us. You guys can stay in the boat one sec.
I'd like to go.
Remember, sit down and swim your feet.
Yeah, we're going to stand on the big rocks that look forward, okay?
Mom, I got my
Remember
skateboard.
to swing your leg over?
Did we hit the first?
I think so.
I think we missed it.
Just let the sun do its job.
Here it comes. Woohoo! Yeah.
And keep on paddling down.
Oh yeah. Woohoo!
Here's cold. Oh my God.
There is a race.
Hard forward paddling, guys. Hard forward. Good trip, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for being great paddlers.
Do you want us to take
Yeah, can you bring out your paddles for us,
paddles?
please?
Okay.
You're going to pass those to us and Aaron up
pass
front.
us the boys.
Yeah.
You guys can grab the rope beside you.
We're going to move it onto the back of this boat here, okay?
Right, have you about
And there's perfect. Drop it there, just so we can drain out. Fantastic. Coming up here, guys. Not taking off your life jackets for me, please. Next time.
Back from the rafting trip.
Had
That was a lot of fun.
Had a blast.
Met some nice people.
Yeah.
The family was from Minnesota.
Minnesota. That's right. Minneapolis, Minnesota.
Minneapolis,
The
Minnesota.
Minneapolis. Say that fast 3 times.
Yeah, it is, huh?
Alright, we decided on curry.
Curry. Indian curry. Yum, yum.
Good looking stuff.
Here it goes.
Fun little place called it's an all-you-can-eat Indian buffet. Right here. Well, we're heading out of Jasper now, and we had a great time, but we're moving on. Now we're going to be heading over to Hinton and on to the northwest. So I'm going to do some laundry at the KOA tomorrow and relax a little bit. But these are some of the last views of the Jasper area. Okay, we made it to our KOA
Campsite.
and we're doing laundry. So
And took a shower. Yay.
shower time, yeah. So we will see you in the morning. Thanks for traveling with us.
Good night.